Welcome to the tutorial video of how to create an SMS. To get started, click SMS, then select Create SMS. Enter a subject and a description to help you identify this SMS from all the others in your account. Type the content of your SMS directly into the mobile phone diagram. You can send up to 3 SMSs joined together with a limit of 459 characters maximum. In the top right of the page, you can see a live count of how many characters you have used and how many you have remaining. This will show you whether or not your message will take up to multiple SMSs. You can also add personalization to SMS by clicking Personalization, finding the field you want to use, and selecting Insert. Everlytic also allows you to add an attachment or a calendar invite to your SMS. The system automatically adds an opt-out instruction to the end of your SMS. This takes up to 21 characters, and we do not recommend that you remove it. Once you're happy with your message's content, click Next. In this step, you're going to choose the list of subscribers you would like to send your SMS to. Check the checkbox next to your list. You can apply a filter to your list to send the message to a subset of your current list. Once you've chosen the list to send the SMS to, click Next. The next step allows you to set the delivery options for your SMS. The language selected will be used in your opt-out link. Check this checkbox if you would like to track link clicks in your SMS. The system will then record the click-through rate of the links in your SMS. Please note, selecting this will shorten the link. You can use message scheduling to set a future time to send your SMS. Check the scheduling checkbox to enable it. Click the date box and choose the date and time you wish to send the SMS. You may also set the recurrence if you would like the SMS to go out more than once. Intervals allow you to split up the sending if you're sending to a large list. Once you're happy with the delivery settings, click Next. The final page shows you a preview of the SMS and a summary of all the options you have chosen. It also shows you how many people are in the list of recipients, as well as the number of SMS credits that the send will use. Once you're happy, click Send to start the sending of the SMS. Once you click Send, the message is automatically sent to your subscribers. Scheduled messages will automatically be sent out on the scheduled date.